And what could come as relief for India's IT companies? Well, the US immigration bill, which threatened to alter the business and profit models, may take some more months to come to fruition. Let's go across to ET Now's Chandra Shrikant for more details on this one. Chandra, certainly good news for the Indian IT companies. Take us through all of it.
That's right. This is news that will be positive for the Indian IT sector because from what we understand, the US immigration bill is nowhere close to fruition. It will take at least a couple of quarters for this to get introduced again. Now, there were a couple of factors for this. First of all, early this week, Senator Durbin, who is an influential senator, remember, has now urged the Senate and the House to introduce a comprehensive bill instead of a piecemeal legislation which they were ready for. Now, this is something that the House does not want, so people expect that there will be many more disagreements, which is why there will be a further delay. Yesterday also there was an attempt in the House Budget Committee to reintroduce this bill, but that really didn't meet with agreement with everyone. So people really expect this to get pushed out further for a couple of quarters. Net, what it really means for IT companies is that they get more time to really set their house in order and meet all the requirements that this bill mandates with respect to local hiring and H-1B visas. It's also a relief because remember, it's coming at a time when the rupee has started to appreciate. So this bill coming into effect now would have further crippled margins for IT companies. So analysts certainly see it as a reprieve for IT companies, but it's perhaps something that could rear its head again at the end of the year.